Everybody, this is the way the biscuits came out. Stuffed with the salami and cheese. Of course, I put more cheese because I knew this was gonna happen. So if you put a little bit of cheese, it's gonna come out. Well, it's not gonna come out, it's gonna dry up more. So I did it like this. So it's made, even though it spilled just a little bit, but you still have a lot of cheese inside. I could have stuffed it with more salami, but that's good enough. Salami's too greasy. So that's the way it looks. And now I'm making some eggs. I make one for each kid. I just break it up, cook them all at the same time. And I brewed some coffee here. And that's our breakfast for today.